Yeah. Stop. I'm tryna chase a bankroll, big lows, up and slip a cell phone. I'm putting a dog on the top floor. I'm in a rush, I ain't waiting. Just send me up that road, I was shackled with gauges. Last silly had left, so I ain't tripping, I'm thankful. Can't get tricked up the streets, see when they catch you, they hang you. Young nigga hit dog like I'm body trained. I remember I was down, niggas let me hang. You know me, I keep it pushing like the gladiator. You know they only fucking with you when you having paper. Hey, they ain't gon' let me till I'm turned on. Oh, whole man, then she fumble bridges burnt up. Oh, plus still I throw a half for a whole one. Face card good, then I'm Tommy never told none. Hey, cuz that's me where I get that low from. Was ass belly shoes with me in that kitchen. Go and ask Paylo, he'll tell you how I whip it. Slap 50 off a payphone, I'm still in the trenches. Label me a menace and I'm still by the blender. Block on me, my niggas got killed in the trenches. Ran it up for real, how I feel when you win it. I'm recording off the Android, I'm still in the system. I'm just staring at the wall in my cell. Better from my dog up the road, he ain't tell. Every day I smile like I ain't going through real. Like a game to my brother tryna motivate Isaiah. I ain't tripping on no hoes, keep it player. They know I hang with the spiders like Zendaya. I told Frodo when you catch that nigga spraying. I can feel pain, swear I'm numb like I'm dead. Extras and